Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, you beautiful people. My name is Urvi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to share with you guys a very simple eye look that you can create during this winter season. Now, for the past few months, we have all been wearing masks when we step out of the house. So only the eyes are visible if you're wearing the mask. So eye makeup has become very important in these times, but most of the people don't have the skills nor the equipments to get some elaborate and fancy eye looks. So in today's video, I am going to create this eye look, which is very easy to create. I've created this eye look which is a bit playful, a bit colorful in these gloomy times, and it is not very difficult to achieve, and you are not going to need many products as well. So colorful liners are very much in these days, but like most of you guys, even I don't own many colored eyeliners. So in today's video, I'm going to create a colored liner look without a liner, just using an eyeshadow palette and a wet brush. So if you guys are interested to know how I got this look with a few hacks, then please continue watching.
Starting with the brows, as usual, I'm taking this brow pomade and filling my eyebrows with it. I like to first shape the arch of my brows and then go to the start of the brows. You can fill your brows with whatever product you have and whatever techniques you feel comfortable. Now that the brows are done, we'll move to the eyes. I'm taking this very skin-like color and brushing it all over my lid. Next, I'm taking a little bit of a darker brown and applying it on my crease and the outer V just to give some definition and also some under the eyes. Again, taking the lighter shade with my fingers and applying it on my lid just so that our colored liner gets a good base. Next, I'm taking this angled brush from Wet n Wild and just spritzing it with my favorite setting spray. Make sure there isn't a lot of product on the brush. Now I'm going in with this purple shade and starting to draw the liner with the brush. First, start from the outer part of the lid and then make your way to the inner corners. This type of brush is very easy to work with while drawing a liner. You need to drag down the eyeshadow so that there are no gaps between your lashes and the liner, as you can see. I'm also creating a small wing because why not? It is a colorful liner after all. Well, it doesn't look like a small wing to me, but I'm just extending it and joining it to the liner, as you can see. Just making sure my liner is all seamless. I'm just filling in the gaps and giving some finishing touches. This is the easiest yet a fun eye look. Next, I'm just taking some plain eyeshadow without any setting spray and setting the liner with it. And I'm also taking it down my lower lash line just to finish the look. Next, take your favorite kajal and start tightlining your upper lashes. Make sure you're very careful while doing this and please do not poke yourself in the eyes. Apply some kajal in your lower waterline as well. This is going to give a nice depth to your eyeliner. As you can see, the purple is easily visible on the eyes and it did not take a lot of effort to do this. I know the wing is looking a bit messy, but we'll clean that up later. Now moving on to curling our eyelashes. Just place the curler and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and you're done. I hope you guys can see the difference on camera. Now I have curled the other eye as well. Moving on to mascara. Apply a nice thick coat of mascara because it will give a good definition to your lashes. Applying a light second coat on my lashes. Also, don't forget your lower lashes. Who else makes such funny faces while applying mascara? Please do comment below. Now moving on to the inner corner highlight. Take your favorite highlighter and a pencil brush and apply it on your inner corners. This step just brightens and opens up your eyes and adds to the glam factor of the look. Also, don't forget to highlight your brow bones. This just brings the whole eye look together. I've already done my base and the tutorial will be linked up for you guys. Now moving on to lipstick. I'm taking this beautiful warm brown shade from My Glam, which is called Hook Up, and it has hints of orange in it because orange and purple complement each other beautifully in a makeup look. If you like, you can also use a purple lipstick and the look will be monochromatic and that would look beautiful as well. Now moving on to the final steps, just take your foundation or concealer and take a pointed brush and start cleaning the wing wherever you feel it has become a little bit messy. Because you have already done your base, take a shade that is very close to your skin tone while doing this step. And voila, there you have it, a neat and clean wing using an eyeshadow. That's the completed look.
So that's all for the eye look today. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and if you learned a little something from this video, then please like this video and share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell notification so that you guys get notified whenever I'm posting a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!
Take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember?